Hi, today I'll show you how to enable NFC on Canon EOS M10. Let's turn on the camera, then press the menu, and let's find NFC. It must be somewhere here, so let's actually find it. Yeah, right here. So we need to press on Wi-Fi settings, and here NFC will be off, so we need to press OK and select on. So that's all. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.